In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an online store in Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you've decided to close shop, revamp your strategy, or simply clear up your website space, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's dive in. First up, we're going to access the Hostinger homepage. To do this, open up your favorite web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. You'll usually find this at hostinger.com. Simple and straightforward. Once the page loads, sign into your Hostinger account using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you're a step ahead. Make sure you're on the home page of the Hostinger control panel before moving forward. The next move is to find and click on the section labeled Store. From the home page, you'll usually see a menu or toolbar that helps you navigate through various website management options. Look for Store among these choices. Clicking Store will take you to the area where all the settings and configurations of your online store are located. Now, we need to find some specific icons. Look for the three dots, often referred to as the menu or More Options icon. It's a small button typically found somewhere near the center or top of the store dashboard. By clicking on this, you open up a menu with additional options related to your store's management and settings. This small but powerful button is often where important features and settings are tucked away. Once you've clicked on the three dots, you'll notice a list of options appears. What we're interested in here is the option labeled Remove Store. Selecting this means you're choosing to take your online store offline. It's a decision that will remove any storefront-related content from your website, so be sure this is what you want to do. If it is, go ahead and click Remove Store. After that, there might be a confirmation prompt. Don't be alarmed. This is simply Hostinger's way of making sure you didn't accidentally choose this option. If you're sure you want to proceed, just confirm your choice. Your store will then be removed from your website, freeing up your site layout for new ideas, content, or future ventures. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through the process of removing an online store using the Hostinger Website Builder. If at any point you wish to reopen your store or explore other features, remember that Hostinger offers a wealth of resources to support each step of your journey. Thank you for following along with this tutorial, and we hope you find it useful for future website management tasks. Stay tuned for more tips and guides on optimizing your digital presence.